In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the issue of friend requests not sending on Facebook. First, make sure you have stable internet connection. Next, launch your Facebook. Check if your Facebook account has any restrictions. For that, navigate to the menu page. Click on your username, then click on three dots given over here. Now click on the option Profile Status. If you see a green tick mark, your account is fine. If you see a red cross, your account has restrictions and you can't send friend requests for now. Now let's check privacy settings. For that, hit back. Click on the settings icon. Now scroll all the way down. Under audience and visibility, select how people can find and contact you. Tap who can send you friend request and make sure it's set to everyone instead of just friends of friends. If these solution didn't work out for you, you can report a problem. For that, head back. Now, scroll down and navigate to the option Help and Support. Click on the option Report a Problem. Click on the option Continue to Report. Now click on Don't Include. Now from here, select the feature Friend Request. And here you'll need to briefly explain about the issue that you were unable to send friend request. Once you type in that, you can send it, and that's it. These are some fixes for friend request not sending on Facebook. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.